Bad alert, bad alert, bad alert. Good morning, bird lovers. Today's bird watching was successful and amazing. This is the list of the bird species that I was able to spot today. The first bird that we were able to spot today was the Abyssinian thrush. We also had the common bulbul, variable sunbird. We had the Tony Flack Prinia, red-faced cisticola. We had the Specs Weaver. We had the Village Weaver. And we also had the Bronze Mankiness. We also had the African Paradise Flycatcher. Not forgetting, for the first time, the African Hawk Eagle. Two of them, you'll be able to see the video reel.
There is a common bulbul just next to them. They are not interested in a common bulbul. They are here for something else. Just chilling and having the break of hunting.
We had the Cetis Warbler. So the message for the day: let's protect our forest, wetlands, and our natural habitats. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep conserving nature. Thank you.